Hey, I'm Tom from Powerin, the AI tool that grow your LinkedIn and X audience naturally through automated comments. And in this video, I'll show you how to use Boolean operator in Powerin to filter posts on X. So you only comment on the most relevant, high quality content. So let's dive in. First, by default, a keyword like marketing will match every post containing that word. And that's a lot of noise. That's why Boolean operator lets you combine, exclude, and filter keyword, so Powerin and Ext only target posts that actually match your ideal audience. Let's start with the four foundational operators. Or combine two topics. Use it when your audience talk about either subjects. Example, sales or marketing. The or need to be in capital letter. It will target posts mentioning sales, marketing, or both. Let me show you how it looks on X. It will filter by the latest. And as you can see, we find posts that contain the word sales or posts that contain the word marketing here. The next one is plus. When you write two words, both are required. Example, B2B plus growth. We only find posts containing both B2B and growth. Let me show you how it works. And as you can see, you can find B2B and growth. Also here, growth and B2B here. The next one is minus. It works for exclude words. Put a minus sign directly before any word you want to block. Example, marketing minus agency will target marketing post but exclude anything mentioned as agencies. So as we can see, we find the word marketing but not the word agency. The next one is quotes. Wrap a phrase in quotation mark to match it exactly. Example, product manager. With this, you'll only target posts containing the exact sequence of word, not just any post mentioning product or manager separately. Use this when your keyword is a multi-word concept and you can't afford to target anything else. One note, common words like by, in, or with are ignored inside quotes, so keep your phrase meaningful. Let me show you how it works. And as you can see, we find the exact phrase product manager here and also here. Note that you can also directly target hashtag with the hashtag symbol. This will match posts using those exact hashtags. Now, this is where it gets powerful. You can filter posts by minimum engagement, so Powerin only comments on posts that are already getting traction. There is three filters to know. The first one is min underscore faves. It's for the like. It's for filter by a minimum of like. Example, marketing min faves will only find posts about marketing with at least 5 likes. As you can see, there is the word marketing here and 6 likes. And it works for all the engagement. Min replies will only check for posts that have a minimum of reply. The min retweets will only target posts that have a minimum of retweets. And why does this matter? Because high engagement posts have more eyes on them. So when Powerin drops a comment on a post with 50 likes and 20 replies, more people will see your name. And that's not just visibility, that's visibility in front of an already engaged crowd. You can also choose to put all these Boolean operators together. And here's a full string operator that works. As you can see here, we find posts that directly match this exact Boolean operator. But with this complex Boolean operator, you will have a low volume of daily publication. So it's up to you to target more complex search or easier keyword. Start simple and add complexity once you see what's working. And always check the daily volume of publication to ensure you'll comment on the search targeted. Now, let me show you how it works into Powerin. So let's target this into Powerin. You go back into Powerin and you can put it here in target keyword. So you target this keyword, and once you have targeted this keyword, you can find by clicking on the blue arrow if there is enough daily publication. And as you can see, we found the same result that we find here. So Boolean operator takes 2 minutes to learn and they permanently upgrade the quality of your targeting. Stop commenting on random posts and start showing up exactly where your audience already is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.